Upward facing dog, or Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. So this is a pose that you will do very frequently in a Vinyasa style class. It is part of the Vinyasa Flow. This is something that you can do. You can either do Baby Cobra, Cobra, or upward facing dog. These are all very similar poses, but they're going to feel just a little bit different in your body, just depending on where you are for the particular day. Okay. So upward facing dog, we're going to start on our bellies. Lower your forehead down onto your mat. Feet come hips width distance apart. Plant the tops of your feet down into your mat. Bring your hands down onto towards the middle of your ribs, same place that you would for Cobra, and bring your elbows in. Bring your elbows in. You don't want them floating out like a chicken or anything. Bring your elbows in. Inhale, press up, gaze up, lift your hips and your knees up off of your mat. So gaze is forward, really opening your heart, opening your shoulders. The strength is coming in from your arms, from your legs. The big difference here between this and Cobra is that your knees are lifted up off of the ground, okay? So that is going to be a great back bend for you that you can add into any Vinyasa style class. So as you're going through the Vinyasa flow, you can do the Baby Cobra, you can do Cobra, or you can do upward facing dog and really challenge yourself by lifting your knees up off of your mat. So that is upward facing dog.